Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to hide WhatsApp chats permanently on Android. If you want to keep certain conversations private with fingerprint protection, this is super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. You'll see all your chats on the main screen. Now, there are two ways to hide chats. The first way is to archive them. Just tap and hold on the chat you want to hide. At the top of the screen, you'll see an archive icon that looks like a box with a down arrow. Tap on it. This moves the chat to your archive folder, which hides it from your main chat list. But here's the thing. Archive chats are still easy to access. Anyone can just scroll down to the archive folder and see them. So for better security, let's use the second method, which is to lock the chat. Tap and hold on the chat you want to hide again. Now, tap the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, tap Lock Chat or Chat Lock. This is WhatsApp's built-in privacy feature. Tap Continue to confirm. WhatsApp will now lock this chat and move it to a separate Locked Chats folder. To access Locked Chats, you'll need to scroll down to the top of your chat list and tap Locked Chats. WhatsApp will ask you for your fingerprint or PIN to unlock it. This way, even if someone has access to your phone, they can't see these conversations without your fingerprint. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chat is now permanently hidden and protected. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.